Here's what nobody tells you about building wealth. The people making $150,000 a year who are broke and the people making $55,000 a year who become millionaires, they're doing the exact opposite things with their money. Salary isn't the problem. Strategy is. And the strategy that works has nothing to do with making more money. It's about 3 specific moves that turn average earners into wealth builders. These aren't theories. This is pure math. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which move to start with today. Let's break it down. Move number 1, pay yourself first, not save what's left over at the end of the month. The second the paycheck hits, 20% disappears into investments before it can be spent. Here's why this works. Human psychology is the enemy. When the money is visible, it gets spent. There's always a justification. This is deserved. It's just this once. Savings can start next month, but next month never comes. The solution is automation. Set up an automatic transfer. Payday arrives, 20% goes straight to a brokerage account, untouched. This isn't about discipline. It's about building a system that removes the decision entirely. The math, someone making $60,000 a year earns $5,000 per month. 20% is $1,000 automatically invested. The immediate reaction is, that's impossible to afford. But here's what happens. Lifestyle adjusts. Living on $4,000 becomes the new normal because that's what appears in the account. After the first month, it's not even noticeable. That $1,000 per month invested at a 10% average annual return, in 30 years, that becomes $2.3 million. Same salary, same person, different system. The only variable that changed was the decision to automate. Move number 2, keep lifestyle locked. This is where most people completely lose the game. A raise comes through, salary jumps from $60,000 to $70,000. What happens next? An upgrade. Bigger apartment, nicer car, better restaurants. Expenses rise to match income perfectly, and the financial position stays exactly the same, just with nicer stuff. Wealthy people do the complete opposite. Income rises, lifestyle stays frozen. That gap between what's earned and what's spent, that's where every dollar of wealth gets built. The strategy. When a raise arrives, pretend it didn't happen. Living on $60,000 before the raise, keep living on $60,000 after. That extra $10,000 per year, 100% into investments, zero exceptions. Let's run the numbers. A $10,000 raise equals $833 per month. Invested at 10% for 30 years, that single raise becomes $1.9 million. One raise, one decision. That's the entire difference between retiring broke and retiring a millionaire. The objection comes immediately. But hard work deserves to be rewarded. Shouldn't the raise be enjoyed? Sure. But here's the real question. What's more valuable? A slightly nicer car for 5 years or financial freedom for the next 40 years? Both can't be chosen simultaneously. Lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth destroyer. It's why people earning $200,000 still feel broke. When expenses climb with income, it's just a faster treadmill leading nowhere. Move number 3. Time in the market beats timing the market. Consistency wins, salary size doesn't. People overcomplicate investing. They wait for the perfect moment. They try to pick winning stocks. They panic sell during market dips, and they stay broke doing all of it. What actually works? Money goes into the market consistently, stays there untouched, and compound interest handles everything else. That's it. No complex strategies, no day trading, just boring, consistent index fund investing. The numbers tell the story. An average earner investing $500 per month into the S&P 500 for 30 years at a 10% average return becomes a millionaire. Not $500 once, $500 every single month. That's $6,000 annually. Most people spend that amount on car payments and streaming services combined. Time is the key ingredient. Compound interest is exponential. The first 10 years feel slow. The last 10 years look like magic. A 25-year-old investing $500 monthly until age 55 ends up with $1.1 million. A 35-year-old doing the exact same thing ends up with $380,000. Same contributions. 10-year delay, $720,000 difference. Time is the only asset that can't be purchased. Starting now beats starting when there's more money, because that feeling of having enough never arrives. 3 moves to build wealth on an average salary. Move 1, pay yourself first. 20% automatically invested before it can be touched. Move 2, lock your lifestyle. When income rises, expenses stay frozen. Move 3, time in the market. Consistent investing beats everything else. This isn't complicated, it's just math. The difference between broke and wealthy isn't talent, luck, or salary size. It's following a system and sticking with it for decades. So here's the question. Which move gets started this week? Drop it in the comments. And if this video just changed how wealth building works in your mind, hit subscribe. A new video drops every week breaking down real wealth strategies that actually work. The machine is running. Time to plug in.